Hello and welcome on Gourming, the world's first marketplace addressed to F&B professional, the world's first gourmet community. You're here on the homepage. The first part that you should identify top right is your login, your wish list, and your basket. Let's log in. Come over here. There you go. So I'm logging in under marketing. You will have as a new customer another login on the right side. I'm here already identified, so I log in on Gourming. So I'm logged in. I have now access to the full database of Gourming. Today we have about 20,000 references and about 600 suppliers. All these suppliers and references are categorized under 7 categories: earth and sea, garden, cheese and dairy products, bakery, desserts, grocery, delicatessen, beverage, and equipment. And each of those categories have their own subcategories. Let's go and shop a little bit. And here you have a subcategory with its own products. I can of course come back to the home page quite easily. On the home page we have 5 different blocks. The first block is the best deals of the week. Here our machine automatically identifies which are the best sellers. 8 products. The second block is the challenge. You have here a block where you can address your wish in terms of product or prices directly to our sourcing team. The third block is a product highlight by category. So here our team proposes to you highlight on butchery, equipment, and pastry. The next block is a highlight on brands themselves. So here Bridor, Cité Gourmande, and the knives from Sabatier. The last entry door is through the regions, and I think the most attractive one, the regions in the terroir of France, where you can have here highlights on each region of France: Normandy, Brittany, Auvergne, etc., etc. Let's go on a product itself. So here I'm on the product. I have an identity of the product code, the supplier it comes from, the name of the product, of course, the price per kilo, the price per box, and usually the box is identified here as 3 kilos. And you have here also a type of delivery. It could be an express delivery, a bulk delivery. This depends on the product type. I'm gonna here also go a little bit further down inside the product ID. You have here all the details pertaining that product, all the ingredients, the allergens, the packing size, everything that is useful to know as a professional. A review about the product, a review on the producer itself. Here is Vivzo. You could also have one or more offers on the same product in your own country. So here, for example, we have Gourming selling those same langoustine as well as Meran. I'm gonna fill my cart with 3 boxes of langoustines, add it to my cart. I have here the option to continue shopping or to proceed to checkout, which I'm gonna do with you. I'm here at the basket level. I have my 3 boxes for a total of $276. I'm going to confirm my order. This is my order. I can here add another delivery address if it's not already in your profile. Since it is with us, we're going to proceed to payment. Here you have 2 payment options. The first one is by credit card. The second one is with payment with your distributor. You have the option to take it, and then you will have credit terms with your distributor based on your credit line. He will approve it or not and contact you for that. I proceed to my payment. And the order is validated. The order goes directly to your distributor and it's confirmed by email to yourself. Here is the login Details, you have here an ID. You can, of course, modify your profile, your billing and delivery addresses, review your orders, your favorite items. Shouldn't be any returns. You can identify them here. And of course, connect, disconnect. I just wanted to show you your order history, which is also important. Here are all the orders history that we passed before, and the last one, which is the 145. Let's go on it. It's not that one, but never mind. You have here an order review, where it was built and where it was delivered. You can actually extract that order in PDF format, which is quite useful, specifically at the end of the month when you do all your billing reconciliation. There you are. You have a full review on how to navigate on Gourming. I hope you find it attractive, and I hope to see you very soon on Gourming. Feel free to contact us. Thank you. Bye-bye.